What's up, guys? It is Portal Freak, and today we're playing Subway Surfer. Well, my sister is
doing nothing.
No, play.
Wait, I'm doing it?
Yeah, you're playing.
Nice.
And she's been wanting to play, and
His old YouTube name was Vetra. He loves vets and he loves retros.
yeah. But now I like Portal 2,
And I'm horrible at this game. Oh.
You don't do it right.
Whee! Whee! Move it, you stupid cop. Nah.
Yeah. And she was like addicted to this game, then she quit playing it.
And now I'm horrible and I hate it.
And now she's gonna get addicted to it again.
Crane kick. Wait, that
And we're gonna take turns and see
whoever said I am taking turns.
and see who can get the best score. Nice. My turn.
You're gonna get the best score.
Well, I already have the best score. Oh, we should have done a face cam.
Vetroni.
I'm gonna concentrate, unlike you,
He
and
likes
laughing the whole
pepperoni. You
time.
like vets. That's what you're gonna do. Pepperoni. Pepperoni. Oh.
You're just making fun of me at this point.
I know.
Yes!
He thinks he's too old for trick-or-treating. He's turning
12. Yeah, okay. I'm matureness.
Matureness.
Yes, I'm matureness. Mom, you're ruining the video.
Jeez, Mom. Did you just say biting losers? What? Bite me, you losers.
How did she have never heard that before?
Bite me, you losers.
Oh,
You're a loser. You're a loser. You had to have babies. Oh.
we're each gonna get 3 runs, except I do good. So I'm gonna get 2 runs, and she's gonna go. I'm gonna go, and then she's gonna go again.
I'm only 9.
Boy, boots. I got boots from Dora. I got boots from Dora. Yay.
Boots from Dora.
Yes, I'm a moonkey.
I'm a monkey, Mr. Monkey. Mr. Monkey, feed me some bananas.
Banana.
Banana.
What? Okay, your turn. Yes! Yay!
Yay, gosh, Tyler, you only need 46 more.
I'm so close!
My turn.
I got my new high score, which is about 9,000. And if you get a new high score, then you win.
I'm not down.
I'm gonna play again, and then you are gonna play. No, I'm gonna play again, and then that'll be the last one. Or no, should we do 2 more each? Or I get 2 more.
This is the last.
No, I don't.
This is the last. You're not doing your birthday party, Tyler?
And my friend probably has half of the videos that I have, and probably 5.
Tyler,
And it's bull. Like
language, Tyler. Oh, I'm gonna get this.
get it, jump.
Oh!
Yay. You suck.
That counts as 30 more steps. Wait, I get to do this. I get to do it.
If it's a bull. Oh my. That is the 5th one in a row.
You only need 45 more, Tyler. Nice job. Wait, I did one of those.
What? I got a jetpack from the Pogo Stick.
The Pogo Stick.
And the only reason,
The Pogo Stick.
like, I'm playing
I was
this
about to
game
call
because
Pogo Stick.
my annoying sister wanted me to.
And my annoying brother is coming. Wait, no. This is 11,
No, it's 21. 21?
I am 21.
21.
I am 21.
No. Come on.
Oh!
No, what are you doing? What? Okay, this was a short video. Once again, I'm sorry because I haven't posted for 8 months. I have to leave this video here. Bye-bye. My sick pose is tricky. Bye-bye.